In today's digital age, having a website is essential if you want to make money online. With billions of people accessing the internet every day, having an online presence is no longer an option, it's a necessity. A website allows you to reach a wider audience and showcase your products or services to potential customers all over the world. It's a 24/7 platform that can generate leads and sales even while you're sleeping. Without a website, you're limiting your online earning potential. Social media platforms are great for building a following, but they're not enough to generate significant revenue. Plus, you're subject to their ever-changing algorithms and policies. A website gives you control over your online presence, allowing you to design and optimize it for maximum conversion rates. You can incorporate various monetization strategies, such as affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and advertising. With a website, you can showcase your products or services in a visually appealing way and provide detailed information about them. You can also offer customer support and build trust with your audience. And the best part is, creating a website has never been easier. We can create a professional-looking website for your business. Visit link in description. Visit link in description today. Thanks for watching.